You're watching OMG Moto and welcome to the OMG Nation. Today, it's a review. Speed and strength motorcycle riding jeans. I bought these jeans from Revzilla. When I ordered them, I ordered a 32-32. I actually wear a 32-34, so they're a tad bit short, and I'll tell you why they're a tad bit short. Is the armor inside draws the jean up a little bit. So stay true to your size. I'm 190 pounds, I'm 5'10". The 32-32 will fit me in some jean sizes, but it's not always gonna fit me in a motorcycle jean for certain. So these are the speed and strength critical mass riding jeans. They're 12-ounce 4-way stretch denim. So look at that. See how they stretch right there? It's got 3% elastane in them. These speed and strength critical mass jeans have knee reinforcement, booty reinforcement with a DuPont Kevlar fiber thread lining. It goes all the way to the top of the knee. They have a removable Vault CE approved knee armor. This is the knee armor right here. As you can see, the knee armor has Velcro on it. It also has Velcro inside the jean to hold the armor in place. So look, right here on the back of this jean, there are 2 belt loops. You see where they're placed? So it's for added belt support. Look how stretchy these jeans are right here. So let me show you a little footage just with me riding real quick.
So this is part of what I'm talking about, how I bought the wrong size. I normally wear a 32. And see this little gap right here when I sit up, sit down. So if you're looking to buy these jeans, these Kevlar jeans with the pad in it, I believe it's the pad that just kind of pulls it up a little more. Go an extra 2 inches. So I guess I just have high waters on for now. I could have sent them back because I bought them from Revzilla, and I just kept going, I'll send them back, I'll send them back, and I'll send them back. And because their exchange policy is real good, I just kept forgetting. And then finally, it had been so long, I was like, well, I guess I can't send these back now. I didn't even try because it had been so long. But I like them. They're stretchy. They're comfortable, they breathe well, even though I have all the Kevlar lining in them. And even right now, it's like 50-something degrees outside. I've got on some cold gear underneath, just some long johns in these, and it's fine for the winter, for a colder temperature. But yeah, you can see right here how much more pep I could use. It looks like I'm in my little brother's jeans.
You can just see how what I mean when I say that, you know, you sit down on your motorcycle. One of the things that Revzilla said was sit down on your bike, don't go riding, but sit down, bring your knees up into the riding position and see how these jeans perform. I heard them, I didn't do it. I bought the jeans, and then when I finally got on them, I said, oh, I better send these back and get a different pair. Well, months later, I still haven't sent them back, but I still wear them all the time. So, you know, I can't send them back now, but I still wear them. People don't even realize that I'm wearing a riding jean. That's the thing I like about it the most. They might realize that I'm wearing high waters, but they have no idea that I'm wearing a riding jean. So to me, they look like a nice denim designer type jean. So if you ask me if I'm gonna rate these, you know, from a scale from 1 to 10, they're breathable. I've worn them in the heat over 90 degrees. I've worn them in the cold under 30 degrees. In the colder temperatures, I throw on my long johns, my thermal gear, whatever you want to call it, and they fit fine with this. So if you ask me to rate these speed and strength critical mass jeans on a scale from 1 to 10, I'm gonna give them a solid 9. Oh, one of these things right here, one other thing is these little deals right here, you can hook this onto your jacket. That's to keep your jacket from riding up on you and getting caught in the wind. So you can hook these if your jacket has loops at the bottom of it, and your jacket will stay put in the back. That's my review. I'm a big fan of these. I wear them a lot, wear them all the time. I'll probably buy some more, but I'll probably definitely buy the 32, 34. Again, I'm 5'10", 190 pounds. So thanks for watching this review on Speed and Strength Critical Mass. Big fan of these jeans. Hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone. Okay.
You done?
I'm done.
I'll do it. Okay. 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 Okay, Daddy. Okay. Okay.